Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our lessons. We are here with our lesson number 2, alphabetical compounds. We will read two alphabets, how to read and how to pronunciate them. Now we will start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Lam alif, lam alif, ba alif, lam jim, kaf ba, ba lam ba, kaf ta, kaf alif, kaf lam, ba ka ta ka tha jim, ta ha, ta alif, nun alif, ta wad, nun sod, tha ta, tha alif, ya alif, ya sin, ba sin, nun ba nun, ta ya nun, nun kho, ba nun lam, ya ta lam, ya fa, ba ain dal, ya tha nun, ya mim, nun mim, tha mim, kho dal, ta mim, ba ha mim, ya ha, ba jim, ain ha, ghain kho. Alhamdulillah, we have read our lesson number 2. If you feel something difficult to understand, you can text me, you can write in the comments. We will reply you inshallah. And here we are reading the complete voices, and after that we will start soon the practical voices, voices like la, li, lu. We will do those practices as well. May Allah Almighty accept our practices, our efforts. Kindly subscribe our channel for the future lessons as well. Jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.